Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
18 to 35% of people sneeze when sunlight hits their eyes. This happens because bright light confuses nerves in your brain, the optic nerve and the trigeminal nerve that triggers sneezing. So even without anything irritating your nose, sunlight can cause an involuntary sneeze.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.